Hey, what's up, y'all? I just wanted to show you how easy it is to turn on to monetize your ad in the YouTube Studio. Basically, all you have to do is just open up your YouTube Studio and you go to videos. I'm gonna show you guys. Well, let me go to live, and then you just find the videos that don't have the green $sign. I'm gonna look for two of mine that don't have it, that I want to monetize. Basically, you just go to the settings. Alright, like these two videos right here, the night stream and the blue jacket marathon, like this one, you open that. As you can see, the $sign on there is not green, so you just go to edit, then you go to the $sign, and then you're gonna see monetize with ads. You click on that, and it's gonna tell you to overlay ads only, but that's only on a laptop or on a computer. Skippable ads, usually I'll keep the skippable ads on there and the non-skippable ads, and it lets you pick the ad breaks, whether you want the ad to show up before the video or after the video. And then you can add a mid-roll ads too, but you have to do that on the computer. Since I'm on the phone, I can't do it on the phone. So all you have to do is just you click that and you go and save, and it says saving changes. And once it's saved, now you see the green little $sign. Go back to the next one, click on that, go to edit, go to $sign, click on monetize with ads, and we're gonna leave it the same way. And then you click on save, say saving changes, and boom, as you can see, now it has the green $sign. So that's basically how easy it is to monetize with ads on your videos on the YouTube Studio app, which is easy. Like as you can see, mostly all my live have the green $sign. That's all I wanted to show you guys, how easy it is to do it on the YouTube Studio app. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it very helpful, please like and comment, and I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks.